What's up, course heroes? Welcome to yet another video. This is your boy Amit, and today we are going to be looking into the new Zenler app. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you open your new Zenler app, you will, as a student, get to see what courses and what different schools you're enrolled in. As a pro user, you get 3 separate schools, so you might have students who are enrolled in different courses and even in different schools. So here you can see I'm enrolled in 2 different schools. Let me click on one of them to show you how app works. So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to select one of my schools, press continue, and then I'm brought to the main course card image of that school. I can always toggle back on the top here and swap out schools. I'm going to continue with this one. Here at the bottom, you'll see the students have the option to search for lessons. They can look at their notifications and hop onto the community. In the top right corner, if they click on the ellipses, the 3 dots, they'll be able to go to their account where they can see their email and sign out. And then going back to the home, once I click on this course card, and this is only going to show them courses that they are enrolled in, they will be able to see the curriculum, and from here they can simply just click on a lesson, and then that they can start playing.
Okay, so we are moving along.
And once they're done with that, they can press the complete lesson button, and that will bring them to the next lesson, or they can toggle using the arrows left and right. Once they are done consuming the content, they can click on the video and then hit the back button to get back, or they can just swipe left or right to get back. Now, search allows them to search for different courses that they're enrolled in. If there are maybe more than 2-3 courses, you want to make it easy, that's where search comes in. So if I just search for my course name here, it's obviously already showing, so it's showing that one result. And within the course, if they want to search for lessons, they can click this search bar, the little magnifying icon in the top right corner, and here they can search for a specific lesson. If I want to search for lead magnet funnel, I can go in here and start watching that lesson. One other thing I want to show you is the notifications. These are notifications that show up from the community, and then if there are any assignments, those assignment notifications would show up here as well. And if you do have a community that's within New Zenler, your students can click on that, interact with the community, and simply scroll here. And this works really perfect on mobile, so I love this community feature. And that's pretty much it. It's a simple app, serves the purpose of allowing your students to consume content without keeping it too complex. Now let's hop onto the desktop so I can show you some of the app modifications and customizations that you can do as a school admin. So head on over to site, and inside you will see a mobile app. If you head over to that, you have branding options where you can upload your app logo, and the app logo has to be 150 by 150, and then you can also change the app theme color. So if I was to pick a different color here, you will see on the right side it shows where that color will apply. So kind of like the little lines here, the lesson progress lines, that's where the current color theme will apply. One of my favorite features about the app, push notifications, you can do that. And this, for any logged in user that is currently logged into their app, you will be able to send them push notifications. So whether you released a brand new lesson, or maybe you are running a promotion, you want to send that message to your students, you can do that from the app. So I'm going to show you how this works, and then I'll show you a screenshot of what this looks like on my mobile phone. So I've added my message, my title. Now you can either send it to all members or specific members. Specific members just means that you can send to one of members, and this is great for testing. But right now there are no filters that if you want to send this to maybe everyone enrolled in a specific course, it's either all or nothing, which is kind of not the greatest, but it's the first iteration, so I'm hoping this will get better.
you can specify what happens when they click that push notification. So I'm going to say when they click the push notification, send them to a URL, and I'm just going to put a URL here. For student name, I have a test student who is already signed into the app. So this will be the user that I'm sending it to. And once you've done this, all you have to do is hit the send button. And that notification has already showed up on my phone. I'm going to put that screenshot in. And that's pretty much it for what an admin can do with the app controls for New Zenler. And there you have it, course heroes. That's how you can use the New Zenler app. Super simple to use. What are you waiting for? Check it out. Let me know in the comments below how you're using the New Zenler app, whether you're using push notifications, and what's the next feature that you want to see from New Zenler. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the flip side. Keep creating.